Kevin Durant's NBA future remains uncertain, but his Nike KD18 signature line is thriving with eye-catching new colorways. The latest version continues the trend, arriving in a bold atomic pink, light wild mango, apricot agate and photo blue palette. This vibrant arrangement breathes fresh energy into the KD18, with hues not often seen in the superstar's footwear history. The upper is drenched in rich pink tones, while subtle mango and apricot accents add layers of warmth. Contrasting this is a cooler photo blue, which subtly emerges on the speckled midsole, tying the entire look together. Although the colorway is adventurous, the shoe retains a performance-focused design, perfect for both on-court dominance and off-court flair. Official looks showcase the sneaker's bold aesthetic and technical detailing. The Nike KD18 Atomic Pink is set to launch on Monday, July 14, via Nike.com and select retailers, promising another standout chapter in Durant's signature sneaker legacy.